Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today I'll show you two easy ways to link a text box to a cell in Excel using Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we will work with two different sheets of sales data. Our goal is to make our reports more dynamic by having text boxes automatically displayed and update the data from specific cells. Let's get started. In first method, we will directly link a text box to a single cell so it displays the cell's live value. Let's give it a try. First, go to the Insert tab. On the right hand side, click on the text drop-down and select Text Box. The cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag anywhere on the sheet to draw a text box. Now click on the formula bar at the top and type equals B2. B2 is the cell reference we are trying to link to, which contains Sales Department. Press Enter. The text box shows Sales, which is the value of cell B2. Let's test it. Let's change the sales to HR and press Enter. There it is. Now the text box updates automatically, showing whatever value is in the linked cell. On to the next method. In second method, we will create a text box title that automatically updates based on a user input with the help of VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value from the same row in a specified column. Let's begin. In cell D3 or any empty cell, type any month of the year. I'll type June. Press Enter. And then to look up the total sales for that month, in any cell of your choice, I'll go for cell D4, type this formula. Let me break it down. In the VLOOKUP function, the first argument is cell D3, which is the month we have just written. In the second argument is the range from cell A2 to B11. This is where the Excel will look for the value. And for the third argument, we have entered 2 that tells Excel to return the value from the second column of the table. And for the fourth argument, false tells Excel to look for the exact match. After that, VLOOKUP searches column A for the value in D3 and returns the matching value from column B. Press Enter. This returns the sales figure of the month of June. Now, let's build a dynamic title. In any empty cell, I'll go for cell D5, type this formula. Let me explain. First, we have the text Sales Report 4, which is the static part of the message. Next, we add the value from cell D3, which is the month. This could be a name, a date, or a category. In our case, it's a month. Then we add a colon and a $sign to format the message. And finally, we add the value from cell D4, which is the sales amount. After putting it all together, Excel combines these pieces into one message. Now press Enter. Now we have a dynamic title. Let's link a text box to this dynamic cell. Like the previous method, go to the Insert tab. On the right hand side, click on the text drop-down and select Text Box. Draw a new text box anywhere in the sheet. Click inside the formula bar and type equals D5 and press Enter. D5 is the cell containing our dynamic title. Linking the text box to this cell will display the result of that formula. Let's test it out. Click on cell D3 and replace June with May and press Enter. There it is. The text box now shows the dynamic title. Changing the month in cell D3 updates the text box instantly. And that's a wrap. Two different ways to link text boxes to cells in Excel, from a simple value display to a dynamic title. Download the workbook link below to practice these techniques. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.